Take the time to clean your canvas properly. I used a damp cloth to wipe this printed canvas down. I'm using 1 coat of gesso on my printed canvas. However, if this was a printed piece, I would paint 2 to 3 coats of gesso. And I would sand the canvas after the cleaning and in between the coats. I am applying a bit of a thicker layer over the shiny writing in different directions. Allow to dry between coats as per the product's directions. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. I did not do a second coat of the prep because the product that I'm going to use over the painting to do a textured art piece is going to completely hide all of this. So the product I'm going to use on this one is going to be different than the product I use on this one. This one was the exterior crack filler, and on this one I'm going to use an interior crack filler, which is a poly filler. Well, it's called poly filler, and it's interior crack filler. And it's this stuff. It's slightly finer. It's this stuff. I just want to show you. I don't know. Okay, I can't. I'm going to pour a little bit out. This one I'm going to use the interior. It's called polyfiller. It's an interior crack filler. And to get ones that's already been pre-mixed as well, but I want to mix my own one. This one is even once it's mixed, and I'm going to use it as per the instructions, but once it's mixed it is finer than the exterior one. With that I'm going to add plaster of Paris, and they both going to have a smooth consistency. When you're working with these type of products, and especially if you're mixing up these and the plaster, it actually warns you on the packs. Please use it and mix it while you have good ventilation in your room, or do it outside. Please wear a dust mask or one of these. You don't need one of these. If you don't have one of these, then a dust mask will be fine, or make sure that you're outside and you're not breathing these particles in, because this stuff especially is not good for you, eh? And wear gloves, and if you did not wear gloves, just wash your hands thoroughly afterwards. Just please take care of yourself.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fun, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
Almost 5 o'clock, and the light is great when you're outside, but inside not that great. And I am in front of a window. The other thing is I don't have electricity at the moment because of load shedding, so I can't even put a light on. So there's a lot of little pieces That's not bubbles, it's like little granules. So I don't know if I didn't mix it well enough or if I should have sifted first, but my poly filler has been standing open for a long time. I don't know if that is it. And the plaster of Paris that was closed up, that was sealed. But that powder stuff, this has been open for a long time. I have used the plaster of Paris and the polyfiller separate in different projects, but it's the first time I put it together. Just quickly, I can't see, but I did the sides as well. I did all the sides, and so that was done. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I'm definitely going to paint this one. Do I care much for the little bubbles or the little knobs? That's it. Not really, because I'm going to paint this, and this is a piece for myself. It's not for client. Probably going to have to give it like a day or two to dry. This color is it's a grayish color, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to paint it. I just want to touch it to see, like, yeah, it's already sitting. Not a lot, but a little bit.